Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through VS Code's color themes. Color themes let you modify the colors in VS Code's user interface to suit your preferences and work environment. Let me first open Command Palette with the hotkey controller Command Shift P and type in here theme and color theme. The hotkey is Control K, Control T. Click on it and you are provided with the default themes. You can use up and down arrow keys to see the preview. Here is the Abyss, the Monachi Diamond, Monachi Dimmed. I don't know who would choose it, but red theme is there for you. I'll go with the Monachi. Hit enter and it's set for you. If you don't like the built-in themes, you can search for an extension with controller Command Shift X to open extensions view and type in here at category themes, and from here you can choose whatever you like. You can also customize your active color theme in user settings.json. Let me open it with the Command Palette, controller Command Shift P, and type in here settings. There are a couple of settings JSON. This one is for default and this one is for user. Let's click on it and you're provided with this settings.json. Now, to change a color theme, I'll go with this key, workbench.color customizations, and here is a suggestion for putting a couple of braces. Let's click on it as well, hit enter, and there is an error. Yes, I forgot to put comma here. Now the first key would be, let's say if I need to change the background of this activity bar, you can do it by putting some codes, and here are the options you can choose from. Type in here activity. Here is the option activity bar dot background. Click on it and choose the color that you like. Let's say I'll go with the green, but green light one, so that I could see these icons as well. Hit save and the background of the activity bar is changed. Let's say I need to change the border of this sidebar, and you can do it with, let's put a comma, hit enter, some codes, and then I'll go for sidebar, and here is sidebar dot background. Click on it and let's say I'll do it #FFF. I'll need white background, white border for this sidebar. Hit save. In the border, no, not background. Let's correct it with the border. Hit save and the border of this sidebar is changed to white. You can also, let's say, go to this run and debug. You can also change the color of this button by putting some codes and type in here button background. Click on it and let's go with the red. Hit save and the color of the button is also changed for you. Alright guys, here you have a list of all the changes you can make. Now you can play around if you wanted to. I'm gonna go ahead, let's talk about file icons. Let's hit save, get rid of settings.json and close the sidebar as well. Open a command palette and type in here file icons, file icon theme. Let me tell you first, here are the file icons. You can change these file icons by command palette and type in here. Here is the option file icon theme, or you can also type file icon theme. Here we have a couple of built-in options. If I set it to none, you don't see any icons here. If you go with a minimal, this would be the default icon for all of the files. If you go with the setting that is default icon theme of Visual Studio Code, you can also install additional file icon themes by going to the extensions, and let's say I'll go for VS Code icons. Install it. Let me close it and go to the file icons, and you can select VS Code icons that we have just installed. Now the icons, you can see the icons are changed now. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.